Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. So today it's officially December, so that means we can be festive. Getting in the mood for Christmas, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this super easy Christmas tree. And you can make this into Christmas cards or anything that you like. And all that you need is some plain white paper, need a pencil, an eraser, and your choice of coloured pens, or you can use colouring pencils or crayons, anything you like. So I've gone for a green, a red, a yellow and a blue. So let's get festive. So we're going to start off in the easiest possible way and just draw a triangle. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. Draw a triangle right in the middle of the page. I'm not even using a ruler, I'm just drawing it freehand. Just like that. And then we're going to draw the trunk of the tree, just two little lines coming down. And then the pot that the tree's going to stand in. Again, just really simply, doesn't have to be perfect. Just like that. Okay, now the fun part. We're going to get our yellow, and then we're going to draw the star. Just like that. And then we're going to colour it in. So there we have our star. Now for the super fun bit. So basically we're just going to make up our tree out of one big giant squiggle. So starting at the top, using your green felt tip pen, just staying within the lines of the triangle, just draw a swirl, getting a little bit larger each time. And this looks really effective when you do it like on Christmas cards, or if you want to make like present tags or anything like that. Just draw the swirls getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And then we're going to do one more. And then this last swirl is going to come down and join the trunk where we drew just there. I'm just going to draw another line for the other side of the trunk. Okay, so now we're going to draw the pot in red. So get your red felt tip pen. That's it. One side I'm just going to draw a line, just to make it look like it's a little bit shiny. And then I'm going to colour in the rest. Now I'm just going to rub out the pencil line so that we can decorate the tree. Now using your imagination, just decorate the tree any way you like. So I'm going to add some little red baubles on. Just try and intersperse them evenly over the tree. And maybe a little one up here. There we go. And I'm going to do some little stars as well. So just doing a cross and then another little cross through it. So a cross, another cross through it. Cross and another cross through it. Cross here and another one through that. Okay, I think we've got enough yellow. Now using a blue, I'm going to do some little diamond shapes. So, you know, have fun with this, be creative and just make up your own shapes. You could do bows on it, you could do anything you like. So this part's really up to you. Just show me your creativity. And another one up here. I think I'm going to do some little drop pendants as well. So one bubble, little bubble, like that. Big bubble, smaller bubble, one like that. Big bubble, smaller bubble, and a few more. Big bubble, smaller bubble, A few more. Where else should we put one? Up here? Big one, smaller one, and a few more like that. And, oh, I think let's just do one right in the middle. Big one, smaller one, and a few more like that. And there we have our finished Christmas tree. And it was super easy. And you can carry on making cards for your friends and things like that. You can decorate it in completely different colours. You can add glitter, anything you like. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please click subscribe and like. And I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.